Having your AT&T SIM card not detected on your iPhone can be frustrating. This issue typically means your iPhone isn't reading the SIM card, preventing you from making calls, sending texts, or using cellular data. There are several reasons why this might be happening, including hardware problems with the SIM card or SIM slot. Hardware problems can include a damaged SIM card, dirt in the slot, or misalignment. Software glitches within iOS, such as outdated software or corrupted carrier settings, can also cause detection failures. Carrier-related issues might involve your AT&T account status, network settings, or coverage problems. Also, older iPhones, particularly those before the iPhone 14, are more prone to these issues due to hardware design. Before diving into more complex solutions, try these quick fixes first. Ensure your SIM card is properly inserted and not damaged. Restart your iPhone. This can often resolve temporary software glitches. Check for any visible damage or debris in the SIM card slot. Make sure you are on the latest version of iOS, as updates often include bug fixes that can address SIM card detection issues. Go to Settings, General, Software Update to check for updates. Enable and disable airplane mode to see if that allows your phone to reconnect. Resetting your network settings can resolve software-related issues that might be preventing your iPhone from detecting the SIM card. To reset network settings, navigate to Settings, then General. Then go to Transfer or Reset iPhone and select Reset. Finally, choose Reset Network Settings. Note that this will erase all your saved Wi-Fi passwords and cellular settings, so you'll need to re-enter them after the reset. This will also reset any VPN settings you have enabled. After the reset, restart your iPhone and see if the SIM card is now detected. Your carrier, AT&T, may release updates to carrier settings to improve network connectivity and performance. To check for carrier settings updates, go to Settings, then General, then About. If an update is available, you'll see a prompt to update your carrier settings. Make sure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data to download the update. Applying these updates ensures your phone is configured correctly for AT&T's network. With iOS 18 and newer, you can now run an automated SIM health check via Settings, General, About, then SIM Status, which scans for carrier lock issues, firmware mismatches, or hardware faults. If you've tried all the troubleshooting steps and your iPhone still isn't detecting the SIM card, it's time to contact AT&T support. They can verify that your account is active and that there are no issues with your SIM card or network settings. AT&T support can also remotely troubleshoot your SIM card and push updates to your device. If necessary, they can provide you with a new SIM card or help you with eSIM activation if your device supports it. AT&T has aggressively promoted eSIM since 2020 and now defaults to eSIM for most new iPhone activations. If your iPhone supports eSIM, consider switching from physical SIM. eSIM is a digital SIM built into your iPhone, eliminating physical cards. Contact AT&T support to activate an eSIM on your iPhone. Benefits of eSIM include being software managed and less prone to physical damage, which reduces likelihood of detection errors. As of 2026, eSIM adoption has reached 60% globally. By 2030, physical SIMs may be obsolete on iPhones. The mobile industry is shifting towards eSIM technology, which reduces physical SIM detection errors significantly. AT&T's 5G Plus network relies on precise SIM-NAS handshakes for connectivity, and as networks stabilize, detection issues are decreasing each year. Modern apps now incorporate AI to automatically diagnose SIM issues, resolving many problems instantly without user intervention. Looking ahead, cloud-based SIM wallets could completely eliminate detection errors by storing profiles digitally, focusing attention on network authentication instead. To prevent future issues, keep your iPhone software updated, handle your SIM card with care, and consider switching to eSIM if your device supports it.